Hello, I'm Pastor Paul Vasantakumar Jayaraj. I'm originally from India. I'm in the UK from 2003 April and come to Preston from 2008. I'm a minister for this district, Preston district. We have two congregations, and also we just recently started one in Wheaton, Preston, Blackpool, and also Wheaton church plant. We have three congregations in this district. Yes, Preston is a very blessed place. We worship here in Grimshaw Street in this church building, and we worship every Saturday because we believe in seventh day Sabbath. We believe in the Ten Commandments. We learn from the scriptures and we teach and follow all 10 commandments. The service on every Sabbath is that morning 7:30 we have a prayer group. We have in this church morning 7:30 we have ladies. They come together for prayer group and they pray for various prayer requests. And from there we move to the Sabbath service. 9:30 we start our Sabbath school, and we have various things to do in that Sabbath school. We have special items, we have a mission report, we study about the worldwide Adventist mission. We study about the workers and our believers and how they are involved in God's work in the other parts of the world. We also have a study guide that we use every Sabbath during the Sabbath school time, and we have several classes for young people. We have classes for children in the other side of the building. We also have adult Bible study classes and youth also, young people. We have other class, that is baptismal class, every Sabbath during Sabbath school service. And from there we move to the family worship. We start around 11:30, and that time we also come together in praise and worship along the whole family of Preston and the visitors, and we all come here to join the worship service, praise and worship. And from there we enter into the preaching. We have various preachers right here in our church. Also, sometimes we get to visiting preachers from the other churches. So we always have a lovely Sabbath service. We also have something, a youth, Adventist Youth Society, that we come 4 o'clock, from 4 to 6, sometimes 6:30. We have Adventist Youth Society where young people, more of young people, they involve in song service and also interaction, Bible studies, and we give more time for discussions also. So young people also, we have number of young people who are really talented and they involve in the church service. That is about the Sabbath service that we have every week. Apart from the Sabbath service, we have Wednesday evening prayer sessions. For today is Wednesday. We are going to come 11:30. For 7:30 to 8:30, 1 hour, we have prayer sessions and Bible studies again. We welcome all the youth, and even we used to have, we have visitors coming, 1 or 2 visitors every Wednesday we used to have them, and we all come together in prayer and in Bible studies. We also have youth group gathering every Friday evening at homes. Okay, we have them in the homes and they come together for Bible studies and prayers and discussions. This is a little bit about the service and the other activities of our Adventist church right here in Preston. We have Pastor Mike Simpson, and he's going to...
Okay, Mike Simpson is my name. Okay? All right. Yeah, Pastor Mike Simpson. I am one of the associate pastors here. I also have a national remit from the conference where I work as an administrator there as well, one of the directors. The work in Preston is going quite well. We have a vibrant congregation here. Lots of children and young people are in this congregation and full of life and energy. Good worship service in Preston. We are praying that we will continue to develop in Preston. Of course, the Adventist Church is a worldwide church. We are in something like 220 countries worldwide, and currently the membership is approximately 16 million people worldwide, although 20 million are claiming to be Adventist. So in Preston, the congregation is steadily growing each year. We are seeing an increase in young people who are coming in to just inquire and to find out more of our faith, and so it's a wonderful time. The challenges that we face at the moment is definitely we do have what we call the time of austerity. So there are lots of people in need. Also here in Preston, lots of young people who are unemployed and still looking for jobs, and some are asking questions about their future, about hope, and so the church is here, hopefully to assist and to help and to look at those needs as well. So it's a wonderful place to be. It's a time, and Sabbath is a time for more family. When I say family, when believers come together to worship and to share, and so it's a very enjoyable service.